I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up.
Okay, welcome to the workshop. Okay, so we're midway into the Levo conversion. So today we're going to attempt to change this dropper clamp. This is the original specialised one, which I don't like. I don't like the small bolt. So we're going to change it for a Pembury one. So this is the one we're going to change it for. As you can see, it's really nicely made. Really nice. So I'll bring you back in a minute when I get ready for fitting. Okay, I've moved my Levo to the park tool stand, so I can work on this bit without this being in. Okay, so we've got the dropper out. I'm going to slacken this off. I'm going to change the inner cable because it won't be long enough for the new lever. I've replaced these plastic ferrules with these Shimano XTR ones. I'll give you a better pull, both ends. Okay, I'm just working out now, running the cable, dry run it and see how it fits through before I push the cable through. New clamp. New cable run through. So I've removed the caliper here and I've removed the lever off the Hope side and I fitted this red pull through connector here. So I'm now going to attempt to pull this bit all the way through the frame, yeah, out here over the motor. That's the cable there. So I've now pulled it through to here. Yeah, so the next step is up through the frame here and out there. So the caliper's fitted, retainer's put on over here as well, down here. I've put the caps back on, changed the screws for stainless, put the shock back in, so we can now put the bike back in the work stand. Okay, so we're going to bleed the brakes today and cut them. So at the moment I'm just looking at where all the cables are going to go and just seeing how long I actually want them. And what I'm going to do is put a bit of tape round and then take it to the bench and I'm going to bleed it on the bench. Well, the front one anyway. The back one I obviously have to bleed in situ. Okay, ready for bleeding. So we've joined it, put the olive in. We've fitted the Hope bleed adapter, filled it with fluid. Okay, we've put a block in, taken the pads out, and we're going to bleed the fluid back to the caliper. Okay, we've finished the rear one. We're just going to do the front one. So we're going to bleed the front one on the bench. As you can see, I've got the brake, Hope brake fluid reservoir fitted on the stop. So I've connected it up, cut it down. I've took the pads out, put a drain on there, and put a block in so the pistons don't fall out. And I've mounted it on an old adapter. Okay, so we're using brake fluid 5.1 dot. Right, now I'm going to push this side back and let the other ones come out. As you can see, I'm going to bleed it again. One bit, open, close, one bit. Yeah, I like the way that fits. You can see them all moving evenly as well now.
The autumn moon lights my way, but now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ramble on, and now the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on, I find the queen of all my dreams. Got no time for spreading rumors. The time has come to be gone. And though I held free thousand times. It's time to ramble on.